Alright guys, I'm starting out in my Instant Pot. I have it set on a saute setting and it's hot. I have a pound of ground beef here and it's still a little frozen. I thawed it out on the stove for about 2 hours, 3 hours. I'm going to get that in here, I'm going to break it up, and I'm going to get that sauteing. Okay guys, now that my ground beef is about halfway browned up, and I still have a few chunks there, but we're breaking them up and working on them as we go. I have one large onion I diced up. And guys, I'm still getting over being ill. It will be 2 weeks tomorrow. This one really knocked the crap out of me. The flu, bronchitis, and then I caught another respiratory infection on top of that. But I'm getting there slowly, guys. I added in a large onion I diced up. I'm going to add in some garlic. And I'm just using a jarred minced garlic. If you use fresh garlic, use about 2 to 3 cloves. I'm going to put about a teaspoon in there. I'm just going to keep this nice and easy tonight. It's the first video I've uploaded since I'm sick. Now I'm adding in some accent, and it's just optional. I like it. I'm going to add in about a half teaspoon. What accent is, guys, for you guys who don't know what it is, it's monosodium glutamate, and it really makes your food delicious. And I'm going to add in some Italian seasoning. I'm going to go for about a teaspoon. Now I'm going to continue frying this on a saute setting until my onions are softened and translucent and all that ground beef is browned up, and I'll drain the excess grease off of this, guys. Alright guys, now that my ground beef's all browned up, drain the grease off, my onions are nice and sauteed and translucent. I'm going to add in a can of petite diced tomatoes, 14.5 ounce can, and these are Italian seasoned. You could also use a regular diced tomatoes. That's what I looked for at the store, but they were out of them, so I had to get the petite. Now I have a jar of spaghetti sauce, pasta sauce. This is meat flavored. You can use any kind you like. This here is 1 pound 8 ounces, 24 ounce jar. I'm gonna add in a whole jar of sauce, and I'm gonna put some water in my jar. I'm going to put in 3/4 of a jar of water. Now that seems like a lot of water, guys, but this pasta will drink it up. Go ahead and get that down in there. Now I have a 2-pound box of elbow macaroni. I'm not going to use 2 pounds, I'm only going to use 1 pound. The reason I got 2 is because Holiday wanted to make something, and it was cheaper to buy 2 pounds rather than 2 1-pound boxes. So I'm going to get a pound of that in there. If I don't spill it all over the floor. I'm going to give that a good stir. And guys, this is just a real quickie because, like I said, I'm not feeling well, and my first video back in over a week. I'm going to give that a good stir. Alright, I'm going to put my lid on here. Make sure I'm set on seal. I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 8 minutes. After the 8 minutes are up, I'll do a quick release of the pressure and I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, my time's up. I did that release of the pressure. Dexter, what are you doing? I'm recording. You can see, guys, this pretty much drank up all of that liquid that was in there. And it's smelling good in here, guys. Past week it's pretty much been bringing home fast foods or grabbing something out of the cupboard because I haven't done any cooking, so it's good to have a cooked meal for a change. Alright, now I have some Italian blend cheese. I'm going to mix some into this. I'm going to start out with about a cup. And I'm just going to stir this in quick. And the heat of that pasta, we'll go ahead and melt that cheese in there. Yes, Dexter, you're excited to be back on camera after all this while, huh? I'm going to put a little more in, guys. Alright guys, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I went ahead and topped that with a little more cheese. Let me get in here and give this a try. And I know this is a baby portion size, but my appetite isn't up to 100% yet. It's really good. Pasta's tender. It's cheesy. Well seasoned. That's really good and really easy, guys. Alright, there you have it. Instant Pot, easy, cheesy beef goulash. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and then until next time, I'll see ya.